Hello students. So today we are going to discuss the mechanisms of organic chemistry, and the first one is free radical mechanism, or we can say free radical substitution. It is also represented by SL. Okay, so what is this free radical? Free radical has a single unpaired electron, that is called free radical. Okay, single unpaired electron. Okay, substitution means swap हो जाना, swapping functional group, swapping functional group. Now let's discuss with the general reaction of it. The general reaction. So if I am writing general reaction here, what it could be? The alkane, any alkane plus halogen reacts with each other to give halogenoalkane प्लस हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड. क्या बनता है इसमें? हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इथेन, एल्केन का एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है इथेन, रिएक्ट्स विद हेलोजन. हेलोजन कैन बी Cl2 Br2 I2, not F2, Cl2 Br2 and I2. So when ethane reacts with bromine, what it will give? It will give bromoethane plus hydrogen bromide Let's see how does it written in the form of structure. So ethane can be written as C. There are 4 hydrogens, 1 2 3 4 like that, and 5 and 6. Now we are reacting with bromine, so bromine can be written as plus Br2, and when the reaction proceed, what will become? Bromoethane. So it will be CC Br H. Remember, carbon is a tetravalent compound. Okay, hydrogen plus hydrogen bromide. So we can say hydrogen bromide is nothing but this H comes here and there is a Br. Okay, I hope you get it, how we can draw it. Now, this mechanism consists of 3 parts. So let's discuss this. Mechanism consists of 3 parts. Which are those? First one is initiation. The second one is your propagation, and the third one is your termination. Okay, so this mechanism of free radical substitution takes place in 3 parts. So we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, so first let's discuss initiation. So what is happening here? Initiation, it means your Br2 molecule will change into free radical. What is the free radical? 2Br dot. Okay, so how is this happening? It will be in the presence of any radiation. It will only happen in the presence of any radiation. Okay, so Br will become free radical. Okay, what it will become? Br2 will change to free radical. Okay, now next step is propagation. So what is happening here? The H will propagate this Br radical, one Br radical, when comes in contact with ethane C2H6, what happened? This H will shift to here and it will become HBr, and plus what is remaining? Since one H is gone, and then it will remaining C2H5 dot. Why we are writing dot here? Because there is a one carbon and H is gone with its electrons. So what is left here? What is left here? C2H5 dot. Then again this C2H5 dot reacts with Br2 molecule to give C2H5Br plus there are two, so it will become Br dot. It is happening together. Okay, this process is called this. Okay, again we are going to talk about termination. So termination is this. So in termination, what is going to happen? This Br free radical again combined with another Br free radical to get a Br2. So you will get the Br2 again, and as you can see, this is your termination step. If you write down all the mechanism, you will get 1 mark for initiation, 2 mark for propagation, and 1 mark for termination very easily if there is a 4 mark question in it. Okay, so what is going to happen here? This C2H5Br again reacts with Br2, and this will keep processing until you will stop the supply of Br2. Okay, so it depends on the amount of Br2 present in the compound. Okay, अमाउंट ऑफ Br2 पे डिपेंड करता है, नहीं बार बार यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूशन इसमें होता रहेगा. सो आई होप यू गेट इट. लेट्स गो विद द सेकंड रिएक्शन. So the second one is your nucleophilic substitution HL. It is also pronounced as SN1. So first we need to understand what is nucleophile. Nucleophiles are which attracts towards positive charge. Nucleophile attract towards positive charge. Okay, and nucleophile should have maybe lone pair also present. Okay, lone pair, or it should be present on negative charge on nucleophile. Pi electrons, those behave as a nucleophile. Okay, nucleophile. This nucleophile means your attraction. Nucleo means nucleus, so which attract towards positive charge, and good nucleophiles are lone pair, which have lone pair, negative charge, and pi electrons. Now this is also known as SN1 reaction. In this SN1 reaction happen mainly on tertiary hydrocarbons or tertiary halogen and alkane. Okay, it happened mainly on tertiary halogen alkane, and one stands for here unimolecular. One stands for unimolecular, मतलब single molecule में. So one stands for here unimolecular. Okay, so do you understand now what is nucleophile? Nucleophile which attract towards positive charge. Who behave as a nucleophile? Lone pair, negative charge, and pi electrons. SN1. It means SN1 is mainly happen on tertiary halogen alkane. Let's go with the example. So general reaction I'm gonna write down here. The general reaction is halogen alkane plus hydroxide ion, any hydroxide ion. What is hydroxide ion? OH minus. Mainly hydroxide ion is OH minus. It can be KOH, it can be NaOH, anyone. That gives what? That gives alcohol plus, क्या बनता है यहाँ पे? Alcohol plus हैलाइड आयन, ओके, अल्कोहल बनेगा और हैलाइड आयन बनेगा। लेट्स गो विद द एग्जांपल, एग्जांपल से ज़्यादा समझ में आता है। सो एग्जांपल हम लिखते हैं, अगर 2 ब्रोमो 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन, ओके, ये आपका एग्जांपल है, 2 ब्रोमो 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन। इट इज रिएक्टेड विथ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, किसके साथ रिएक्शन किया? सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। अब जब ये दोनों रिएक्शन करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा आपका? बनेगा आपका इट दैट गिव्स 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन टू ऑल, ओके। वी विल अंडरस्टैंड क्यों बनेगा इन द मैकेनिज्म। प्लस साथ में रिलीज होता है, यू नो दैट, हैलाइड आयन। सो हैलाइड आयन इज हाइड्रोजन ब्रोमाइड, that is Br minus is your halide ion. So let's see how does it goes. First we will write down here 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. So what we'll do, C. This is your free propane, okay. On 2 there is a Br and on 2 there is a methyl. So we will write down like that. This carbon has all tetravalency completed, so we will fill up the hydrogen now. This is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, and this is also hydrogen. When it reacts with sodium hydroxide, NaOH, so in this aqueous medium this will give Na plus and OH minus ions, okay. So we are mainly talking about hydroxide ion. So when the reaction occur between those molecules, what will form? Can you define it? There is a formation of C. You can read it above. It was 2 methyl propane 2-ol. So what is happening here? C 2 methyl. So 2 methyl propane 2-ol means OH. Okay, so that is basically bonded with O. Carbon is basically bonded with O. Okay, remember that, not bonded with H. Plus hydrogen bromide, that is your HBr. So whole reaction look like that. Let me show you. Do you understand? By using this example, okay, this is your hydrogen. So you can easily figure it out. This type of reaction is happening. Now what is happening here? We will go through the mechanism now. How this is happening? Mechanism. So for better understanding of mechanism, what we will do, there is a your C H CH3 Br, right? H. What happens here? This Br is more electronegative than carbon, so it will pull out its electron. And there will be a formation of carbocation. किसका formation हो जाएगा? Carbocation. That is your intermediate step. You know about intermediate, right? We have heard it. We have read it before. So there is a formation of carbocation in it. Okay. So ये बन गया आपका carbocation intermediate. Carbocation intermediate. After that, intermediate forms. साथ में क्या बन गया होगा इसके? Br जो अलग हुआ है वो Br माइनस, Br अपना एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ले गया तो Br माइनस. Now what will happen? The OH minus will attack. And there is a formation of what? There is a formation of OH will attack. This OH will attack here on carbocation, and there is a formation of our result. ठीक है? And that Br minus is still wandering around, so we will get this result very easily. This is called SN1, and this is your OH minus. Here you can see on the place to satisfy the carbocation. OH minus is attacked where? On carbocation, directly attack on carbocation, and it is favorable in tertiary mainly.